Here's something I never expected to say. For a time, I felt like nothing I tried actually made sense for my routine. I kept experimenting with different habits, cutting things out, starting over. That's when I came across a simple morning routine built around a gelatin mix made with just a few everyday ingredients. It caught my attention because it wasn't framed as a miracle, just something practical that people were quietly using at home. That was my first contact with what many now call the gelatin trick. What surprised me wasn't a dramatic change overnight, but how natural it felt to stick with it. I didn't have to overhaul my day or follow strict rules. It was just a small habit added to my mornings, and over time, I started feeling more comfortable and confident in my own routine. Friends and family even noticed I seemed more at ease, which was something I hadn't felt in a long time. I later discovered that the version that actually made sense was the one that explained the preparation clearly and focused on consistency instead of extremes. That explanation is what people refer to as the gelatin trick recipe, not because it's complicated, but because the details matter more than most videos admit. When those details are skipped, the routine loses its purpose. I saved the video where I first learned this routine because it explains everything clearly without exaggeration. It shows how people actually prepare it and why so many copies online miss the point. If you're curious to see the explanation for yourself, the video is still available through the link below or in the first pinned comment. Bye.